See my days are cold without you. See my days are cold without you.
Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all really well. So I've got another hair tutorial for you guys today, and again it's a step-by-step tutorial of one hairstyle. So I'm going in depth, and yeah, it is the braided headband. So that is the braid that goes from here to here. And yeah, hopefully we'll be able to show you a simple way of doing it, and I hope you can understand my step-by-step. I'm not very good at explaining stuff, I'm not gonna lie, but yeah, I'll give it a go. So let's get going. So to start with, I'm just gonna be brushing through my hair to get rid of any knots. So just focusing on this front bit, as that is the part that I am going to be braiding. Half of my hair is probably falling out right now. It's a little bit knotty as I've got some texture spray in it. Right, so I actually lost my comb, so can't use that. But you would grab a comb. I've grabbed a bobby pin, and I'm just gonna split my hair down the middle into a middle parting. And then this just makes it easier to get this nice section at the front of your hair. So I'm just gonna take the bobby pin from the center to the top of my ear, and I'll get a nice section at the front, which is what I'm going to be braiding. So once I've got that, I'm just going to grab the bobby pin and secure this back part of my hair out the way. I'm going to grab another bobby pin, and with this side I'm going to start from center again, go to the top of my ear and split that into two. And again, I'm going to be pinning that side of my hair aside, and then I'm going to be grabbing the rest and just putting that into a bun or ponytail, whatever you want to do. It's literally just to get it out of the way from the braid so you don't get any extra hair in it. Oh, this looks cool. Once you've got this section done, you're going to flip over to one side, whichever side you feel comfortable braiding from. I'm just going to give it another brush through, and I'm going to be starting from here and braiding across. So I'm going to be trying to start with the smallest section I can. So just grab a little bit of hair, and you're going to split that into three. Try and get them as equal as you can, strands like so. I'm going to be, can you even see me? I can't even see the camera. Hey guys, are you there? I'm going to be doing a Dutch braid. Sorry, this looks ridiculous. I'm going to be doing a Dutch braid, so that means you're going to be braiding going under instead of over like a normal plait. So you've got your first three strands, and I'm going to take the first one under and then the next one under. I hope you know how to plait. I really can't. It's going to be so hard explaining. Every time you take this front piece under, you're going to be adding in a little bit of hair. So you see I've grabbed hair from this section here, and I'm going to be going under. And then I don't do anything with this back one, I literally just go under again. And now I'm at the front again, so I need to add in an extra bit of hair. So I'm going to take that under, and then that back one goes under, we're not adding to it. And now I'm at the front again, and I need to take from this section, and then we're going to go under. And that back one we leave, we just take it under, and then we add in from the front, take that under. That back one again we leave. I'm just going to bring it underneath. We're at the front again, so I'm going to add in some more hair, and then you take it under. That back one just goes under, and literally this is all you do, and you just continue adding in hair for that front one every time. So again, adding in a bit of hair. And if you can make it tight, it tends to work a bit better. And then we can loosen the braid at the end. So grab that front one, go under. Adding hair to the front and taking that under. Leaving the back. And we're nearly there. So I'm going to come in a little bit closer now just so you can see my fingers. So we're leaving that. I'm at the front, so I'm going to add hair in. And this is the back, you leave it. I'm at the front, I'm going to add hair in. And yeah, that, my dears, is all you do. And I'm going to carry on taking this braid down. And then I've got an elastic band that I'm going to secure it with. And that is a braided headband. Now you can leave it tight if you want to leave it tight. Oh, funky. Or this looks so weird. Do not want to hear like this, guys. Or you can pull it out. So I'm going to pull it out just a little bit. I know a lot of people love these pull out braids. My hair's pretty thin, so I'm not going to pull it out that much, but I will a little bit. And as you could see, because I've pulled the hair from the front to add in, it's made the headband right at the front of my hair, so it's just really, really nice place to position it. Anyway, back to pulling this out. So you can start by doing this, and then it gets a little bit trickier when you get up to this top bit. And then we can start by doing individual sort of loops in a second. And for that, you can just grab one a little bit like here and just give it a pull. Like so. You can see it's already sort of taking shape. And yeah, you can just sort of mess around pulling bits out. You can really pull it out if you want that kind of messy braid. And yeah, once you're happy with it, we can take down the rest of the hair so we don't look weird. And then, oh, if I can get my bobby pins out. Ta-da! However, we're not finished yet. So we need to get rid of this on the end. All we're going to do is grab a bobby pin and we're going to tuck it behind our ear. I'm going to grab a bobby pin and I'm just going to cross over 2 bobby pins so it is secure, and that is not going to move all day. And then we just bring the hair over the tops to hide it. And then, yeah, I mean, you can do whatever you want to the rest of the hair. I'm going to do my go-to everyday large crimp that I love to do, so I'm just going to wait for those to heat up. But yeah, you could put it in a low bun, you could do 2 little bunches, you could do little space buns. You can kind of, yeah, just play around really. And once you've got it like this, you can keep pulling it through if you want that pulled through look. But I'm quite liking it. It's cute. I really like the blonde and blue. But yeah, I think these are heating up now, so I'm just going to add a little bit of a crimp quickly so you guys can see a finished look. I'll just do these front bits just so you can get an idea of what it could look like if you wanted to add this large kind of crimp looking. And for this, all I'm literally doing is getting my straighteners and just as I'm going down, just twisting my wrist every time. So pulling down but twisting my wrist every time. And yeah, this is like my go-to wavy everyday hairstyle without the braided headband, of course. But yeah, and that is that. That's literally it. I really hope that my step-by-step was simple for you to follow, and if any of you try it out, then please do tag me. I would love to see what you create. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe if you're not already. I've got so many more ideas. Please give it a thumbs up if you loved it, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.